Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you how to add a comment container in your Alteryx workflow. So go to the documentation tab, and here it has a add-in, or you can say option to of comment. You just need to drag and drop this in the Alteryx workflow panel, and now it will ask you about the text which you want to write. Suppose I want to write my first Alteryx workflow, right? And from here I can choose different options like what are different shapes available for this comment container. I can choose rounded, rectangle, ellipse, and so on, right? And other options available is the text color. So from here you can choose different text color. Right now it's black. Background color you can choose from here. Then there is text alignment. Where do you want to align your text? Say it's top, center. Suppose I want to do it to top left, right? And here you can import some background images if you want by clicking this window, and then you have to assign a image as a background image to this container, right? Once you are done with this, just hit run and it will make the changes. For example, this container is now changed and the alignment of the text box is now aligned to the left, right? Just in case this comment container is not present under the documentation tab, what you can do, just hit this add or remove tool button. It will open up the configuration tool palette from where you can choose the documentation bits. So for example, this is not checked, you just need to check it here, right? And then click OK, and then it will show it as one of the tab in your Alteryx workflow. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you.